Shorian Nation. My name is Joan Grassi and I am the proud principal at Violet Elementary. Here at Violet, we provide an exceptional education for our students in a safe and nurturing environment. Please join me and a few of our student leaders as we show you around Violet Elementary.
And of course, our classrooms are the central locations of our learning environment. More than 420 Violet students walk through our hallways each week to get to class. We are training students like myself to excel in an evolving global society. I hope to be an orthodontist someday.
It's fresh air and the chance to run around and burn energy. Our bright colored playgrounds provide just that, with giant slides, monkey bars, and swings. I love letting my imagination run wild while I play.
At Lakeshore, we believe a balance of academics and athletics creates a well-rounded student. Students who participate in sports not only gain the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle, they also learn lessons about sportsmanship, leadership, teamwork, cooperation, respect, and knowing how to win and lose inside this gym.
This is one of my favorite places in the building. Welcome to our Media Center. What makes our Media Center so appealing is the open spaces where I can relax, work on group projects, or study.
Thank you for joining us on today's tour. Remember, there's so many places for you to visit. We hope to see you soon.